Ginoong Arnolfo Teves Jr., kayo po yun, sir. You are under arrest by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by Manila Court on September 2023 for 10 counts of murder, 12 counts of frustrated murder, 4 counts of attempted murder. In addition to that, in 2024, a warrant of arrest was also issued against you by the Dumaguete Court for murder, for illegal possession of explosives, for illegal possession of firearms, and for the Terrorism Financing Prevention and Suppression Act. Ginoong Arnolfo Teves Jr., kayo po ay may karapatan malaman ng inyong karapatan. At ito po ang mga sumusunod. Kayo ay may karapatan tumahimik. Ano man ang sasabihin mo ay maaaring gamitin sa iyo o laban sa iyo sa hukuman. Kayo ay may karapatan kumuha at umili ng abogado. Kung wala ho kayong magkailan kumuha ng abogado, ibigyan ho kayo ng ating gobyerno. Naiintindihan niyo po ba yung mga karapatan niyo? Thank you po.